3, 2, 1.
What is the number of valence electrons in a neutral nitrogen atom? The answer is C, 7. Which book is about a group of friends in New York in the 1920s? The answer is D, Tender is the Night. What is the tallest building in the world? The answer is C, Eiffel Tower. Which city is known as the Big Apple?
The answer is C, New York.
What's always cold, but freezes nothing? The answer is D, mountain. What is the name of the elongated bony structure that anchors the anterior thoracic cage? The answer is A, sternum. As a habitat with a small pond goes through a long drought, which of these is most likely to happen to many of the fish in the pond? The answer is D, they would be unable to survive. What popular movie villain uttered the words "a census taker once tried to test me? I ate his liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti"? The answer is D, Hannibal Lecter. The single, Walking the Dog, was originally recorded by which of the following artists? The answer is C, Rufus Thomas. Which fruit contains the most vitamin C? The answer is A, orange. Which of these isn't a type of jacket? The answer is D, duster. A dirty martini includes an olive as a garnish. What is it primarily made from? The answer is C, gin. Platinum and gold are useful materials for constructing circuits because of their ability to resist what? The answer is A, oxidation. What does AM and PM represent? The answer is D, post-meridum. What is it that if you take away its letters, it would still stand as a building? The answer is C, building. Biochemical reactions are optimal at physiological temperatures because many will lose function at lower and higher temperatures. The answer is C, enzymes. What does an oxologist study? The answer is A, growth. In Breaking Bad, what is Walter White's profession before turning to crime? The answer is A, teacher. What is the term used for a country's foreign exchange reserves? The answer is C, foreign exchange reserves. Which kitchen appliance is used to mix food ingredients together? The answer is A. Mixer. From which part of the world do bananas originate? The answer is B. Southeast Asia. Which gas is released during photosynthesis in plants? The answer is C. Oxygen. Representatives of 3 of these species produce venom of their own. Which is the odd species? The answer is A. Mosquitoes. During the final years of the hit television show Mad About You, Jamie and Paul had a daughter. What was her name? The answer is D. Mabel. During which phase of the moon could a solar eclipse take place? The answer is B. New. When close to his goal, the Dark Tower, Roland is attacked by Mordred, who saves Roland's life, but dies in the process. The answer is D. Oi. Who was the first female Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives? The answer is A. Nancy Pelosi. After a rain, a puddle of water remains on a sidewalk. After a day of sunshine, the puddle is gone. Which process is most responsible for the disappearance of the puddle? The answer is C. Evaporation. What is the traditional dress of the Scottish Highlands called? The answer is C. Tartan. In the movie The Best of Times, Jack Dundee and Reno Hightower sneak a peep at what TV event when they stop for dinner with their disgruntled wives? The answer is B. Monday Night Football. What term refers to patterns of stars seen from Earth? The answer is A. Constellation. When did a war start over a postage stamp? The answer is C. 1932. In 1928, the International Astronomical Union divided the sky into how many official constellations? The answer is D. 88. Which vehicle uses a propeller instead of wheels? The answer is D. Train. Which component controls the flow of electric current in a circuit? The answer is C. Inductor. Who wrote the poem Break, Break, Break? The answer is B. Alfred, Lord Tennyson. Water droplets form when the air reaches 100% what? The answer is A. Humidity. The Wright brothers are known for inventing which vehicle? The answer is C. Plane. What is the name of the gas formed when vinegar acetic acid reacts with baking soda sodium bicarbonate? The answer is A. Carbon dioxide. Who is the actor who knew you should always serve white wine with fish and Chianti with census takers? The answer is B. Anthony Hopkins. What is the capital of Canada's smallest province? The answer is A. Charlottetown. Which tech company purchased Instagram in 2012? The answer is D. Facebook. Which country hosted the 1938 FIFA World Cup? The answer is A. France. What is the tallest mountain in the North American Rockies? The answer is B. Grand Teton. What is the name of the owner of Lon Lon Ranch in the Zelda series of games? The answer is B. Talon. What is the process for developing knowledge called? The answer is B. Science. Which supply helps write on a blackboard? The answer is A. Chalk. To which famous American can Robert Duvall trace his lineage? The answer is B. Robert E. Lee. Which character is the enemy of the four children in the movie The Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe? The answer is D. The White Witch. Which architect designed the Louvre Pyramid?